Today we're going to make lamb leg curry. First we need chopped lamb leg. We need to chop this lamb. Our meat is ready. Looks very good. Now we need to get some spice ready. These are the spices. Now we need to put some oil in the pan. Now we need to wait until the oil gets really hot. Oil is ready. Now we need to put spices in to fry. Now we need to put the onion in. We need to fry it very well. While this onion is frying, we need to get some chopped tomato ready. Now we need to put garlic, ginger, juice paste in.
Okay.
Well, we need to fry it really nicely. Now, time to put our tomato in. Tomato is in. Now we have to add some salt, not too much. Make sure you cook it from 15 to another 20 minutes. While the soup is getting ready, we need to get potato ready for meat. Don't make the potato too small. Keep it in big spaces. In the meantime, while it's cooking, we need to get potato ready. To cook it half cook. Now we need to boil our potatoes to 10 minutes. Now our gravy is almost ready. Time to put the meat in. Now fry for 10 minutes. Keep frying, do not get burned. Now we need to add 3 spoons of turmeric. Now add 3 spoons of coriander. Now we have to add 5 spoons full of cumin. Mix it well and fry nicely. Keep frying until meat is cooked properly. Our half-boiled potatoes are ready. Now we have to add some salt and turmeric. Keep the potato outside. Our meat is ready. Now we need to add some boiling water. Now we need to cook the meat at medium heat and cover it up. Now, time to fry our potato for the curry. We need to fry our potatoes nicely. Make sure all sides of potato are fried properly. Potatoes ready. Now we should keep potato aside. We need to see if our onion melts properly. If it didn't, we need to cook more. Smells nice. Time to put our potato in. Now cook for another 5 minutes and then it will be ready. I think my lamb is ready. Let's have a look. Looks yummy. Tasty. Look at that, it's really nice, yummy.